So you need to change your strut. Welcome to my successful how-to videos. This afternoon I had a project. I needed to replace the liftgate struts. Actually one strut, easy to understand. The screw broke, and in my luck the two ends are replaceable. Well, I have only one hand, so I cannot really unscrew them. Here is the challenge, is that in the rest position the strut is longer than the distance between the two holes in the body of the car with the liftgate completely open. So you need to compress it, and you need to be very careful because a lot of safety measures need to be involved. So I took a come along, a heavy duty one which is used actually, I used to have it on a trailer when I was pulling a vintage car. But the secret is that I took a copper tube to be able to have the come along, the band slide around this piece. Initially I didn't do that, and it was kind of falling on the side, one side or the other, or even cut the strap in the middle. So what I did, and this is really the secret, I took a copper pipe, the same diameter, the internal diameter you see equivalent to the outside of the clamp of the strut, and then I cut it in half, and I'm going to show you what it does, and I think that's really the miracle. And again, excuse me because I am filming, I have only one hand, but the strap is sliding on the copper, and as you can see now, I needed half an inch of difference, and I got it just by pulling with the come along. So what you do is that you take your measurement on the liftgate of the car, and then you cut the half moon of the copper, and then you start to put some tension, and then when it has the right length, you bolt the strut on the liftgate. Et voilà, I was able to put it back in position. Now I'm going to remove the strut. If you guys have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. Also, there might be an affiliate links in case you need some of this hardware with an affiliate partner. Thank you very much for watching.